Hello friends, today I will solve the problem of disk scheduling. Disk scheduling means disk scheduling is a technique used by the operating system to schedule multiple requests for accessing the disk. Disk scheduling algorithms. The purpose of scheduling algorithm is to reduce the total seek time. There are various disk scheduling algorithms are number one FCFS algorithm. It means first come first serve. SSTF algorithm, scan algorithm, C-scan algorithm. Fifth, look algorithms, and finally six is C-look algorithm. There are six type of disk scheduling algorithms. In first come first serve disk algorithm system, in these scheduling algorithms, according to name, this algorithm entertain request in the order the arrive in the disk queue. It is the simplest disk scheduling algorithm. Now, advantage of this first come first serve disk algorithm system is it is simple, easy to understand and implement. It does not couch starvation to the any request. Now, disadvantages are it results in increased total seek time. It is insufficient. These are the two disadvantage algorithm system. Now, second SSTF disk scheduling algorithm. SSTF stand for short seek time first. This algorithm service that request next which require least number of head movement from its current position regardless of the direction. It breaks the tie in the direction of head movement. Now, advantage, it reduces the total seek time as compared to first come first serve. It provides increased throughput. It provides less average response time and waiting time. Now, disadvantage is there is there is an overhead of finding out the closest request. The requests which are far from the head might starve for the CPU. It provides high variance in response time and waiting time. Switching the direction of head frequently slow down the algorithm. Now third, scan disk scheduling algorithm. As the name suggests, this algorithm scans all the cylinder of the disk back and forth. Head start from one end of the disk and move toward the other end, servicing all the requests in between. After reaching the other end, head reverse its direction and move toward the starting end, servicing all the requests in between. The same process repeated. When it is not completed, it means when it is not allotted all cylinder. Scan algorithm is also called as elevator algorithm. Elevator algorithm. This is because its working resemble the working of an elevator. Elevator. Now advantage. It is simple, easy to understand and implement. It does not lead to starvation. It provides low variance in response time and waiting time. Now, disadvantages are it causes long waiting time for the cylinders just visit by the head. It causes the head to move till the end of the disk even if there are no requests to be serviced. This is the main disadvantage because for one chance head will be start in this scan, then it totally scanned first. It means head move to till the end of the disk, then find out which one is the shortest and then it will be allotted. Due to this reason, waiting time will be long. Now, fourth, C-scan disk scheduling algorithm. C-scan means circular scan algorithm is an improved version of the scan algorithm. Head start from one end of the disk and move toward the other end, servicing all the requests in between. After reaching the one other end, head reverse its direction. It then return to the starting end without servicing any request in between. The same process repeat till end of the allotment. Now, advantage of this scheduling algorithms is the waiting time for the cylinder just visit by the head is reduced as compared to the scan algorithm. It provides uniform waiting time. It provides better response time. Now, disadvantage, it causes more sick movement as compared to scan algorithm. It causes the head to move till the end of the disk even if there are no requests to be serviced. Now next algorithms, look disk scheduling algorithm. Look algorithms is an improved version of the scan algorithm. Head in this algorithm, head starts from the first request at one end of the disk and move toward the last request at the other end, servicing all the requests in between. After reaching the last request at the other end, head reverse its direction. It then return to the first request at the starting end, servicing all the requests in between. The same process repeats till end. The process allotment. Now, the main advantage of now the main difference between scan algorithm and look algorithms is scan algorithm scan all the cylinder of the disk starting from one end to the other end, even if there are no requests at the end. And in a look algorithms, scan all the cylinder of the disk starting from the first request at the one end to the last request at the other end. Now, advantage of look algorithm, scheduling algorithm, it does not cause the head to move till the end of the disk when there are no requests to be serviced. It provides better performance as compared to scan algorithm. It does not lead to starvation. It provides low variance in response time and waiting time. Now, the disadvantages are look scheduling algorithms. Main disadvantage is there is an overhead of finding the end request. It causes long waiting time for the cylinder just visited by the head. This is the main fault of this. Now, C-look disk scheduling algorithm. C-look again circular look algorithm is an improved version of the look algorithm. In this algorithm, provide the facility head start from the first request at one end of the disk and move toward the last request at the other end, servicing are the request in between. After reaching the last request at the other end, head reverse its direction. It then return to the first request at the starting end without servicing any request in between. The same process repeats till all processes are allotted. Now, an advantage of C-look scheduling algorithm. In these algorithms, it does not cause the head to move till the end of the disk when there are no requests to be serviced. It is reduce the waiting time for the cylinder just visited by the head. This is the main facility, main advantage, and also it provides better performance as compared to look algorithm. It does not lead to starvation. It provides low variance in response time and waiting time. Now, the main disadvantage of these scheduling algorithms are there is an overhead of finding the end request. It suffer from convey effect. Now, what will be the convey effect? Convey effect in convey effect, in this effect, consider process with high burst time arrived before the process with similar burst time. Then similar process have to wait for a long time for longer process to release the CPU. This is called convey effect. Now we are going to discuss about the example. first come first serve. We can solve one problem. How it will be work in a numerically, pictorially we can represent here. Questions is, consider a disk queue with request for input output to blocks on cylinder 98, 183, 41, 122, 14, 124, 65 and 67. The first come first serve scheduling algorithm is used. The head is initially at cylinder number 53. In these questions, head will be start in position of cylinder number 53. The cylinder are numbered from 0 to 199. Already is given. Cylinder number is already divided in a 0 to 199 range. Lower range 0, higher range 199. The total head movement in number of cylinder inquired will servicing these request is. This is the question. Now how it will be solved? What's the mechanism we can use? First come first serve. It means first come first serve. According to name, you know that first come first serve. First will come 98, then next is 183, next is 41, next 122, then 40, 124, 65, then 67. How it will be moved head from 1 to next? First step is, first find out the cylinder number, head cylinder number. In this given question, cylinder number has given 53. Now we have already starting mark 53 first. Now second, according to question, according to algorithm, we know that first come first serve. Then we can use here first come first serve. Head has come here, 53 is head, given question. Now first come first serve in given data is here. Next is 98, so 98 has come. Next is 183, so 183 is come. Next is 41, 41 has come. Now next move head 122, just you will see after 122 move head in 14, and next is 124, next is 65, and next is 67. Now total head movement is, first is head is 53, then 98, it means 98 minus 53 plus, next is 83, 183, it means 183 minus 98 plus, next is 41 means 183 minus 41, next 122, it means 122 minus 41, next 14, 122 minus 14, next 124, it means 124 minus 14 plus, next is 65, 124 minus 65, and next is 67, so 167 minus 65. This is the movement, total head movement. 98 minus 53 plus 183 minus 98 plus 183 minus 41 plus 122 minus 41 plus 122 minus 14 plus 124 minus 14 plus 124 minus 65 plus 67 minus 65. This is the total movement of head moment. Now it will come out. Finally we can say that the minus is come out here, all subtract from each other, then you will get it the finally total head moment incurred while servicing this request. 98 minus 53 plus 183 minus 98 plus 183 minus 41 plus 122 minus 41 plus 122 minus 14 plus 124 minus 14 plus 124 minus 65 plus 67 minus 65 equal to 45 plus 85 plus 142 plus 81 plus 108 108 and plus 110 plus 59 plus 2 equal to 632 632 moment answer.